Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's Outdoor Workshop with another quick video on how I rebuilt a short section of fence to include the gate. As you can see, there's the new section right there. It's less than 16 feet long, and this is the same house that I did the other side, which was like 30 feet long. But anyway, as you can see, I lined up all my pickets across the top to make sure they all look the same, to include the gate, so it's a nice continuous flow. So it's you know, to the eye, you look at it from a distance and it looks like very professional and very nicely done. Matter of fact, there was a contractor that came by yesterday and complimented me on a good job that I did. So here you can see the gate. Here's the handle and the latch that I reinstalled on the gate, and this is one of those types where you just go up there, push on the lever, and you push it back like that. And on this side over here, as you can see, it closes real nice, no effort whatsoever, and the gate is pretty plumb and level. So as you can see, I saved the old framing. So basically all I did was reinforce it to make it even stronger than it was before, because before it was sagging and twisting and all that, right? And I also saved the old 4x4s. I checked them out, they were still pretty good sturdy wise, and later on in a couple of months when I come back to stain and seal this fence, I'm gonna sand those down right there. That's just surface you know, crap, mildew and stuff like that. But as you can see, all the way over there, same thing. Saved those two posts over there, and just added my new framing, which is two 2x4 support boards and one 2x6 kickboard, which is on the very bottom. All pressure treated, and like with the little gap also going all the way across. That right there is actually the little hole that the cat, you know, that lives here. It's an outdoor cat. She likes to go in and out. I mean, too lazy to climb the fence. Maybe she doesn't have the front claws, that is. But I left that there. I was going to fill it in, but I said, you know what, just leave it there for her. The reason for the gap is that here in Florida, when we get torrential downpours, the water, because this is sandy soil, the water comes up real quick. So with that gap being there, the water has somewhere to go underneath without destroying the wood. On this side, she has gravel over there, so gravel's not going to do nothing to it. It's just going to let the water, you know, leach and drain, pass by it. But over here also, she also had this old latch, as you can see. Slides right over, you lock it in place, so when you're back here, you can just lock it and nobody can get in. But there you go, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.